Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to schedule appointments on Bank of America. The first thing I want you to do is launch the Bank of America app, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines to access your menu, and then scroll all the way down until you see Help and Support, click on Help, and then I want you to scroll down until you see Schedule Appointment. I want you to click on this, and you can go ahead and choose, which account to book an appointment for, basically what reason. Choose that. So let's say everyday banking. Choose the topics you'd like to discuss. You can click on other, click on next. Choose how you'd like to meet, either by the phone or in person. So let's choose in person. You can enter a zip code or city state, right? You can choose a location. And once you've done that, you can choose who you would like to meet with, right, at this location. So here we have different positions. You can choose the date, right? And you could also choose the time to discuss and the contact information right there. Make sure it's all okay. You can do optional reminders, click on done, and then you can go ahead and schedule appointment. If you want to tell them anything, you can go ahead and enter some information, click on make appointment, and as you can see, your appointment has been scheduled. Really that easy. Found helpful. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.